Hi there. Thank you so much for listing your property with Florida Rental by Owners. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about paid advertisements. So there's a few different types of paid ads with Florida Rental by Owners. Right now, I'm actually in the support hub, which gives you lots of information, and I'm just going to read through it with you, and that will be an easy start, and it will be recognizable if you go into your support tab. So paid ads are available for purchase as an additional advertising option per listing. Listings with paid ads get more inquiries and bookings, and it's a great option for owners looking to boost their visibility. There's 3 types of paid ads available: featured, highlighted, and last-minute deals. So let's get into the feature ads first. Featured ads, they run for 30 days. And paid feature ads appear on location search pages in the top search ranking for a limited time. And this is a great way to maximize exposure to all travelers. So they're searching for a specific given area of Florida. So if you're going into, let's say, Anna Maria Island in this case, we've taken a screenshot. These are the featured listings that have paid for this advertisement that are appearing in the Anna Maria Island area. It's great. They have like a featured banner, and they've got a nice little highlight around the thumbnail, which really lets them stand out from the rest of the list. So that's available for purchase. There's also highlighted ads. And what's different about highlighted ads? They do run for the same amount of time, 30 days. They appear on the home page in the top fold underneath the highlighted listing section and disappears in randomized slideshow format. So if you're coming onto the website, you might see yourself the first time. But depending on how many people have paid for this, it'll be in a slideshow format and randomized so that everybody gets a chance of visibility. The homepage is the most visited page on the website, so this is a great way to get front and center to every single traveler that does access the website. These also have a gold frame on them to attract travelers to the property. And they've got this nice highlighted blue banner on them. It's a great way to capture attention to the traveler on the most visited page on the website. The next paid ad option is last-minute deal ads. So last-minute deal ads are a little less expensive. They do run for 14 days, and the last-minute deals ads appear in the popular last-minute deals page of the website. So this is probably the second most visited page on the website, and they also have this opportunity for you to put in specific offer deals in a text format. Because you can put in something that is a percentage off for this time or a dollar amount off. Or even if you're adding in some kind of special sports package to that person or a free gift certificate to a local restaurant, it's really up to you as the host as to what you want to advertise as your special offer to really hook that traveler and get the booking with you. So the highlighted ads are really great because not only do they have this turquoise blue special offer details box, they also have this last-minute little sale tag on them, which also makes it highly visible and a fantastic way to get exposure for last-minute deals, discounts, or special offers that you need to gain occupancy. Now, how to purchase these paid ads. In your host dashboard, you're going to navigate to the specific property that you're interested in promoting, and it's found in the listing tab in your host dashboard. We'll get to that in a minute. And then you click the blue Boost Listing button. And then from there, you can purchase one of these paid ads. You just have to follow the instructions for entering the payment, and the paid ad will automatically be applied to your listing immediately upon payment reception. And then for the last-minute deal ads only, again, just remember that once you make the payment, you're able to enter the special offer description in the text field to advertise the details of that offer. So let me just pop over to our host dashboard here. I was just on the support tab. And if you go to the Listings tab, this is where you will see your list of your properties, and you would just press that Boost Listing button. And here they are. I've already purchased the last-minute deal for this property. I'm looking to get it booked out last minute, but this would be the options for you. If you wanted to purchase a highlighted paid ad, it would just take you to the next field for your strike checkout on our processor. That's not my credit card. Don't worry. And then it's just really easy and simple to make that payment and get yourself a lot more exposure and get you the bookings that you really need. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@floridarentalbyowners.com or contact us toll-free 1-877-735-2726. Thanks for watching.